Hi, this is Zhang Chen. I'm sorry I can't attend class to discuss with you, so I make the record this video with you to discuss the 1.2 pass with you. And I don't know how to make the online one, so I just following the steps to uh, explain the function of the code and tell you what I learned through the whole code. So let's go to first the guessing number one. So this one this code is have two user. First user is input number. Second user input the number to guess with the first user one. The first user one, second user one, and the point of the over here I think. So this one's who the original way we catch everything the user input to make sure the user actually input a number from 1 to 10. It should be positive like integers we discussed before. So if not, it should be output this one. So just make sure our code cannot clashed by the user. So keep scrolling down. Uh, over here. So second user gets number, same thing catch. So the catch everything two user input, and we use the while if to use the while to make sure the second user finally gets the number correctly. So this is some word that we mentioned. So that's it. So let's go to the second one. Oh, I didn't see what I learned. So I learned from this code just this one is a very common one. Try Paris to make sure the user didn't clash our program, and use the while loop to make sure the user our finally input the correct thing. So that's what we want. And if to use this one, if user gets one, just gets 10, and gets a number to make sure that is the answer we want. This is the answer the first user input. So let's go to this one. Just a little bit tricky one. So this one is to count the number from one from the how to say that. So this is to count the number through can divide it by 4 but cannot divide by 5. So we use the 4a over here. So this is can divide by 4 but cannot divide by 5. So and we also use this one to make sure it's a it's a integer. So I already tried that before. So I input 50. So this the number that be counted by this code. 408 like that. And that's it. But I do find a problem that if I input -1, so there's some problem. So but in 1 point, this one also can calculate the -1. So I will fix that later. And let's go to the third one should be uh this one is let the user to set a maximum of the in this maximum number and should be like positive and integers. So we also use this one to make sure it should be the things I want. We want the user to input and down there to like this one's record the original sum, range one, and this is we use we use the do well over here. We will discuss later. So we use the sum plus equals to the number. Oh, sorry. Here we go. So otherwise it's will output the current number. So it's already calculate. And what we learn through that is the same things we use this one in triparis to make sure the input is the things we want, and we use do while to make sure it's at least have one loop over here and calculate another loop, three loop over here, and that's it. So this is my reflection of the task on 1.2 pass. And every task over here should just notice us to remember to because you don't know what the number the user will input to try to remember every situation to make sure my code cannot clashed by the user. And that's it. Thank you.